Hey there, J-Dub peeps. We are removing the frame today. It's been a couple days, but we got super busy and it was really cold and rainy. So today we're gonna take this frame off and see what the patio looks like. And then we'll probably be working some more on more of the concrete today, depending on how today goes, but that is the plan. Well, that one came out easy.
I already hit it.
Oh. Since we're going to be outside today and it's a beautiful day, I'm going to let the chickens run around the yard in their chicken tractor that we made. We have another video on that. And they're really easy to get in here. They love it and they are ready. So I just line up the doors. I just line up the doors and open this door and open this door and they go right in. Come on, girls. They're so cute. Good girls. And then I'll move them over here to part in the grass. Okay, and then we'll let them peck around and scratch the dirt. And I'll give them a little bit of water and a little food, and then I'll move them around. And they love being out here. Okay, so the edge looks really nice. I took the frame off, and the edge is looking good. It's always going to be a little bit rough, and that's normal to be expected. Plus, we're going to fill it in with dirt all along the edge. But the corner was what we were concerned about, and the corner looks really good. Nice and sturdy, and we have a nice gentle slope coming from the back door down to the edge in case any rain or any water. So it's looking really nice. And then I think today we're going to continue from this stopping point, and we're going to continue on and hopefully do some cement on this edge. Chickens love worms. And I have this big fat ow! And it's gone. Not even a half a second. If we ever find big juicy ones, we just give them a little treat and they love it. What is that thing called?
I don't know, it's like a hammer drill.
That's what I'm talking about. So we dug out this edge to put the new frame in and trying to loosen up some of this other top layer. Okay, we are placing the frame. And we are going to be doing the concrete today. So you want to place the edge of the board so that it is level with the top of the concrete, at least not below it, because otherwise it'll pour over. So it's okay if it's sticking up a little bit. And if it is a little low, we can always stick a rock under it on the bottom side.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
So just like before, we applied some of that bonder product, this white stuff you see here. And it's supposed to help adhere from the old concrete with new concrete. And now we are applying the concrete. So cute. The dog just walked right in the concrete. Awesome. Thank you, Jerry.
Good job, Jerry.
Thank you. So he's tapping the edge to bring up any air bubbles or pockets out of the fresh concrete. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Ready?
Yep.
Get a good edge on it and it'd be something to work with, you know?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, it's Ferrari, that's all. I think it's...
Just the left hand, so she's right there. But you can have it either one.
No, this is all free.
Yeah, Amazon Prime account. So they'll give us whatever.
But this is through her, whatever music thing that she sent us.
Okay.
Buddy, can you push that wheelbarrow over a little closer?
Because you're asking the wrong person.
That's closer. Kind of looks like shit right now, but
It's going to be a lot better than it was, for sure.
Once we have tile.
Yeah, and then once we tile over the top, it's going to be real nice. Okay, we have finished the edge with the cement part for today. So this is the concrete part that we're doing. And then we're gonna let this dry. And then we're going to chip off more of the top coat right here on the rest of it that we haven't done yet. And then we'll add the top and bond part like we did in the part 1 video. So we're gonna let this dry and then we'll take off the frame and then we'll chip away the top part, and that's the next step. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our videos. Thanks so much.